you've been so real with your life since the radio and every time. The last time when people backlashed you, the last time ulisema body count yako, and people corporates walikuacha and everything, and you say that it was the lowest period of your life. How can you tell other people how did you overcome it, because it was the lowest period? Alafu body count yako imeongezeka ama iko pale pale?
Guys, allow me not. I can't talk about such things now. Naomba munipatie heshima yangu kama bibi ya mtu tafadhali. And it's a bit offensive for you to ask a question like that when my husband is sitting right next to me. Let's not be those kind of content creators, okay, people? Let's not also treat public figures or people who are in the public eye like that. We're also humans. We deserve the same respect and dignity that I have accorded you today. You specifically. On that note, guys, it's been real. Thank you so much.
Tell your fans something about what is happening.
Amenibo, imagine. Allow me to just go.
I think tamalizia tu.
What is what
nitamaliza na yeye. Sawa. So I think tunamaliza mimi na wewe. Kusema kuhusu events yani.
More Radio 88.2 FM. We are in charge.